of the Hilton Garden Inn in Monterey, California. This is gonna be an elevator ride and room tour. We got the bar and the front desk over here. And oh, I did not notice that wet floor sign. We're gonna go up and take a look at my hotel room. I'll be back. And I'm going up to 3. My room is on 2, but we're gonna go to 3 first. For 3. And now we'll go to 2. Take a look at the room. And now we will go check out the room. All right, guys, this is the part where we see the hotel room. This is, we are in room 212. All right, here we are in room 212. Okay, here we are in the room. This we got. So as you see, here's the room. We got 2 queen size beds. It's very, very nice, and TV's on. I don't want to get copyrighted. I'm not gonna show what's on there. My bag. Hey, see my new iPhone camera? There it is. Oh. Can you stop laughing at me? Like, you want to be in the video? Hi again. What's up? So here's the bathroom. You have a Toto toilet. I'm not gonna flush that thing. Focus. Go. Hey, what's up again? See my iPhone 13. Just switched to it 2 days ago. We got the shower. It's a typical hotel shower. Okay, here's Hilton Garden Inn stuff. And now we're gonna take a look out the window. And it's night, so there's not really much to look at right now. All right, here is a daytime view. All right, guys, so this is what a daytime view looks like. It's morning time, so the sun is just coming up. If you look this way and that way, you can see the power lines, which it's not really much of a view, but all right, back to the rest of the tour. All right, guys, so that's what it looks like at night, or during the day. I mean, that's what it looks like during the day. All right, that pretty much wraps up the hotel tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this hotel tour, and I hope that you liked the video. So like, subscribe, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a single video that I post. And I will see you later today, either later. Either later on December 31st or January 1st when I post my New Year's video. So, with that being said, peace.